this, it's the handlebar for a DSLR or any kind of camera that has a hot shoe mount. This thing is awesome because it has three. 1, 2, 3. So you got a top one on the very top and 2 on the sides. 3 hot shoes, cold shoes, whatever you want to call them. And then the one to put it on your camera, which means that I can screw this onto my DSLR. Twist, twist, twist. And then put the light on it. And all 3 of these accessories, as I said, go together now. And you can get these all. I believe I only spent like $80 on all 3. Makes everything more versatile. Looks nice. Very professional looking, very heavy duty. Because as you can see, it didn't fall. And I will get some shots with this handle on it. If you're gonna do grass while you have a light, I would put it on this side. If you're right-handed, put it on the left side, twist it on. That way, if you put it on the right side, your hand's gonna get in the way and block it. But if it's on the left, you can still lift it up and boom, get your shot. And let's get some test shots, or a test shot with this.